Okay, hi. I'm walking to school, just like Kirsty wanted me to. You know, he wanted me to make a... Yeah. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to the bus stop. Okay. Anyways, I'm to work. Big spider web. I hate that. This is like so much fun for me. I'm really lengthy. You know, like, well, I'm gonna start other things, but I'm gonna get more of my friends in this video. Yeah, so we'll start walking to the bus stop. Now here's the corner, and now I am turning. Hi, and there's Carlos. I can't even see him. Come on, get closer. Hi, say hi.
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 This is going on YouTube, you know.
Oh, what?
No, seriously.
Let me see the video.
Wait, well, we have to get to the bus stop first. Is that our bus? No. No, that's not our bus. It doesn't even say bus 13. That's not bus 13.
Oh, okay.
So you can't even see it. You can't even see it. Like, okay. Look how far away it is. I have really bad lens on this thing. I snuck it past my parents. What? That's my good thing. I'm really good at that kind of stuff.
It is my birthday.
Today's your birthday?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh my God, there's something in the way. And now here comes Corey.
That ain't Corey.
No, Corey's down there.
No, that ain't Corey. That's Casey.
Well, I meant Casey.
Video to school.